In this video, we're gonna go over that one hack that literally tripled sales for multiple e-commerce brands I'm handling, both personal ones as well as those under my Google Ads agency or marketing. Now, this hack is very simple and it applies to most e-commerce brands out there because a lot of these brands fail to install their conversion tracking codes properly. And this is exactly where this hack comes in. Now, I'm on a Google Ads account dashboard right here, which is a client's e-commerce brand under my Google Ads agency or marketing. And what you need to do to look at this hack, first of all, is to go on over to tools and settings on the top right. From tools and settings, we're gonna go on over to audience manager. Within audience manager, first I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this page because that's exactly what it's asking. But within the audience manager section, you will see different things on the left side: audiences, segments, your data insights, your data sources, and settings. What we wanna do is we wanna go on over to your data sources. Now, this is where the hack can actually be applied. The reason why I mentioned earlier that most brands fail to install their conversion tracking codes properly, and hence why they could benefit from this hack, is because if we look right here, there's 3 different tags which have currently been firing at the moment. The first one, because we installed conversion tracking codes properly here, is the Google Ads tag. Second one, Google Analytics GA4 tag. And the third one, just the UA normal Google Analytics tag. The hack here is to actually connect your Google Analytics account or any other links which you can do via even Zapier to make that happen. So for those of you that don't know what Zapier is basically an app or a software which helps you connect data sources between different software. So between, let's say, for example, Facebook ads and Google Ads. I'm not sure if that is available at the moment, but that's one potential connection that you could be connecting. You could also be connecting it to different platforms like WordPress, WooCommerce, etc., etc. So Zapier does that. It's like the middleman where it connects 2 different things. But if you don't already have Google Analytics connected to your Google Ads account, that is a must connect for you, because according to this hack right here, once you have connected that, if you go right here to details, we can see that within Google Analytics itself, we just go ahead and click the streams, or if we just look at the 3 lists right here, and this might be a different number for you, but all you need to do is just click on it. What you will see is that now there's different audience segments getting submitted from these other platforms. So from Google Analytics, we were able to connect and feed the data to our algorithm here to Google Ads, all users of this brand. We were also able to feed it all the previous purchasers. And then the third one, similar to all users, meaning a look-alike audience. So this hack is extremely wonderful because it does not rely on your Google Ads conversion tag to basically submit all of this data back to the Google Ads algorithm. If you already have Google Analytics connected, or if you have Facebook ads and you've been running ads previously via Facebook and you also have Google Analytics, you can now submit or use that data directly within Google Ads itself. This is a pretty crazy hack which can save a lot of e-commerce brands out there, because this is not, again, just limited to Google Analytics. You can connect a lot of different things, including your YouTube channel for your e-commerce brand if you have one, and of course, multiple other connections as well. And the way to connect your Google Analytics account to your Google Ads account is, first of all, if you don't already have it connected, it should tell you to connect it here. It should give you an option, but the second option for you is to open up tools and settings, and under setup, go to linked accounts. From linked accounts, you'll be able to see all of the different connections which you can actually link, including things like MailChimp. You can even connect certain other campaign monitors, and there's just a whole bunch of other things which you can connect and gather data from. So just not installing your Google conversion tracking properly is no longer an excuse anymore to not get results, because now you can literally feed your previous data and the other data you're getting from, say, Facebook ads, from TikTok, so on and so forth, directly via Google Analytics into the back end of this account. But if you're doing $40,000 or more per month in revenue, you need just a little bit of extra help scaling your e-commerce brand to the next level, go onto my website at yourmarketing.com and book a free call with me to see how we can potentially work together and make that happen. But I want you to click right here to watch the video on my newest Google Shopping ad strategy I'm using in 2023 and onwards to scale e-commerce brand.